Russia-Ukraine war. The drone strike on the Primorsk oil port, which is the last station of the Baltic pipeline system, left 2 vessels damaged. However, the Russian side is yet to react to the drone strike. The war between Ukraine and Russia intensified again on Friday after Kiev conducted a drone attack on Moscow's largest oil terminal on the Baltic Sea. The strike targeted the Primorsk oil port in Russia's Leningrad region, as per Ukrainian officials. According to a report by the BBC, the drone strike on the Primorsk oil port, which is the last station of the Baltic pipeline system, left 2 vessels damaged. However, the Russian side is yet to react to the drone strike, and it is not clear whether it led to a suspension of operations at the Primorsk oil port. Meanwhile, the 2 tankers that were hit during the drone strike were identified as Kusto and Kayun. While Kusto is owned by Solstice Corp, the Kayun is owned by Xeronix Limited. The 2 vessels are registered in Seychelles, according to global media reports. Recently, Russia and Ukraine have intensified conducting drone strikes against each other, aiming to target critical infrastructure. The drone strikes have been particularly severe for the Russians. According to a report by the BBC, Ukraine has disabled 20% of Russia's oil refining capacity in the drone strikes in August. Earlier this week, Poland, a member of the North Atlantic Treaty Organization NATO, said it intercepted a huge number of Russian drones over its airspace, which were shot down by the country. Last night, the Polish airspace was violated by a huge number of Russian drones. Those drones that posed a direct threat were shot down, said Polish Prime Minister Donald Tusk in a social media post. Later, Tusk said he would push ahead with a great modernization program for his country's military. However, Russia denied targeting Poland during its drone attack on Ukraine. "We are ready to hold consultations with the Polish Ministry of Defense on this issue," said the Russian Defense Ministry in a statement on Say.